If you've been dragging through your day, can't focus, and your drive in the gym and the bedroom has vanished, it's not in your head. It might be low testosterone. I put together a free, high-T cheat sheet with proven ways to increase testosterone and energy levels naturally or with TRT support. Just comment TRT and I'll send it over. Here's the thing. Low testosterone is more common than ever, especially for men over 30, but most guys ignore the signs until they can't anymore because it creeps in slowly. Let's talk symptoms. And if you're nodding along to more than one of these, it's time to take this seriously. Low sex drive, erectile dysfunction, hair loss, constant fatigue, muscle loss, increased body fat, especially around the stomach, brain fog or memory issues, infertility, gynecomastia, and osteoporosis over time. If this sounds like you, it's not aging. It's a hormonal decline that doesn't fix itself. The good news? Testosterone replacement therapy is one of the most effective science-backed ways to reclaim energy, drive, and performance. At Ever Wellness Center, we specialize in helping men do exactly that, all 100% through telehealth. But here's the deal. Most men wait too long. They try to push through, blame stress, or even start chasing symptom band-aids, all while their testosterone keeps tanking. And by the time they take action, they've lost years of strength, confidence, and intimacy. Let me be blunt. The real cost isn't $149 a month. It's the cost of waiting. It's the cost of not showing up for your partner. It's the cost of watching your strength, focus, and confidence disappear while pretending you're fine. We built this program to change that. No fluff, no hidden fees, and no in-person clinic required. Just real treatment and real results from a team that cares. If you want the cheat sheet I mentioned earlier with real strategies to naturally increase testosterone and boost energy levels, comment TRT below and I'll send it to you. And if you're ready to stop Googling symptoms and actually fix the root problem, we'll show you how. Just comment TRT and let's start the conversation.